Welcome to our law office Knies and Albrecht in Munich. My name is Dr. Bernhard Knies. I'm attorney at law and specialized in media law. And today we would like to explain you something about a very interesting new law in the field of copyrights and here in the file sharing issue. So what happened? Legislator has just recently enacted a new law which abandons the liability of private network holders of wireless LANs in a very substantial manner. So what is the background of that new law? In Germany we have numerous cases, file sharing cases concerning people who have used torrents, illegal torrents, and who have of course violated with that one copyrights of right holders. In Germany there's a very long tradition, around about 10 years. We see these law offices which have specialized in writing to private end consumers like Waldorf Frommer, like in former times Raschrechtsanwälte, or today also Sasse, who sue people who write letters, copyright warning letters to all these holders of private networks. Because right holders have, in the main thing, they have to write to the owner of a network because this is their main person. They can identify. Because in the internet, in a torrent, they only see the IP address, and the IP address is giving hints who is the holder of a wireless LAN network. So this holder normally gets the post from the copyright holders, attorneys like Waldorf. In the past it has been very difficult to defend cases because the German High Court, Bundesgerichtshof, held in a very important decision some years ago, Sommer unseres Lebens, that a private network holder is liable if he did not secure his network with a password and a key and a very good encryption. So if you didn't do this one, you normally were liable if third persons had used your network, for example neighbors or other people who could easily access your network. So the German legislator now wants to enforce people to open their networks for the sake that everyone can use free network in cities, that people have the right to open their networks for neighbors and for visitors from all over the world. But with this legal situation in the background that you are liable if third persons do something, nobody opens his network. This was the intention of legislator when he said, we do not want this kind of liability in the future anymore. We want to enforce people to open their networks. This might have important aspects for the future, for the defense of copyright infringement cases in these numerous thousands cases where people get these cease and desist letters. So what is the new law? The new law says in the Telemediengesetz, paragraph 8, that this old liability has to go away. So that means in the future somebody who's holding or driving a private wireless LAN network has the same legal situation as it has already today a huge access provider. So the people have only to prove that they are not responsible for these kind of copyright infringement informations which are going through their net. How this will be in the future and which legal impact this will have for these endless cases which we have right now in courts and out of courts, this the future will show. This is a very important new legislation. It will be soon in force, and then we will see what courts will say to these numerous cases which are already existent in Germany. But we are very sure that it will improve the defense of these kind of cases. If you have questions to that, just give us a call. We offer free of charge initial legal advice for that.